Take a ride in the 2016 Ford Transit 150. The Transit 150 comes in numerous configurations, impressive payload, and towing capacity. It is comfortable and easy to drive. This vehicle has less than 130,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power steering, automatic transmission, remote power door locks, power windows, passenger airbag, tachometer, power mirrors. This vehicle is Carfax certified one owner and qualifies for Carfax buyback guarantee. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.